Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to post new job update on Facebook using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for facebook.com. And after that, just go ahead and log in your account. Okay? And once you've done that, you want to click on your profile at the upper left side of your screen. Okay, and here you want to click on Edit Profile. So once you've clicked on Edit Profile, you want to scroll down, and here at the Customize Your Intro, just go ahead and click on the Add button at the right side of it. Okay, and now you want to click on Add a Workplace. Again, click on Add a Workplace right here. Then just go ahead and put any informations about the company, the position, city or town, description, and you need to make sure that you check this box, the I currently work here. Okay, so from what year? So just go ahead and choose the year. And also here, you can choose the privacy of your information. So when you click on public, you can choose if you want to share it to public with your friends. So here, friends accept specific friends, only me, and you can choose or exclude friends and list. Okay. So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the done button. Okay. So now once you've put the informations that is asked, just go ahead and click on save here. And after you click on save, it should saved on your profile. Okay, so when you go back on your profile, you should see the information at the bottom part of your profile. Okay, and that is how you post new job update on Facebook. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.